Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another video tour. So today I'm here in a neighborhood called Ridgeview at Skye Canyon by Woodside Homes. This master plan community of Skye Canyon is located in the North Las Vegas Valley. This model here is Plan 3. This is the Topaz model. This is a 2-story, 2,093 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath, does have a covered patio, 2-car garage, plus some extra storage. The starting price on here is $385,990. So let's get right into this property and let's see what this property has to offer. So you do get the pavers here as far as standard. You have 3 different elevations to pick and choose from. The lots here are the lot premiums here are gonna be anywhere from $4,000 to $20,000 according to the sales agent. Nice little courtyard here, little sitting area. Love the stacked stone. You got the concrete stucco. Little vegetation here and there. You do have some lights. That won't be a standard. On the exterior here, we do have about a 1-foot eaves and soffits as well. All right, let's go inside. You have a nice 8-foot door and a rekey for the lock here. You have a total of 107 lots for sale. This community just opened here, so if you guys are interested, the early bird gets the worm. Look at this floor plan, just really nice and open. Look at this. Now this is going to be the biggest model of them all. I'm going to start right here back to the front. So we do have a half bath for your guest here. You have the toilet and also the sink. Now what I love about this is that you do have the button to push in and out versus turning the supply line. That backsplash right there is definitely an upgrade. This one is a orange peel texture. You do have an option to do the skip trawl texture. Now on the flooring standard comes 18 by 18 porcelain tile on this one, only in the wet areas. On the second floors, on the 2-story homes, you're gonna have 9-foot ceilings here. Now let's take a look in the kitchen. Now the kitchen, these are 42 upper cabinets, but the standard is gonna be a maple 36-inch minus the lights underneath the cabinets. Now, you do have some herringbone. That is definitely going to be a upgrade on the backsplash here. Okay. The cabinets itself and also the hardware, an upgrade. You do get the cook countertop here. This is a 36-inch with a burner. Okay. Appliances, you're going to get the GE appliances. Now, the appliances will be the stainless steel. However, there's a couple configurations that you can do. The double stack here is going to be a upgrade. This window, upgrade for your pantry. Pretty decent sized pantry. Okay. The refrigerator is not going to be included. Now, with the countertops, you're going to have an option to do quartz or granite. This one does have a front apron on the sink with the undermounted, and it's a dual sink here, as you can see. Let's take a look at the cabinets. These cabinets do have the undermount glides with the staples MDFs, so this is not bad. I actually like this versus the side glides for sure. The baseboards that you see here, these are straight edge on the baseboards. These are 4 inches on the baseboards. Now this property does come equipped with dual pane windows with the low E gas, and on this model you do have a upgraded option to do an alarm system through all the windows, but that will be an upgrade. They do have the 3-can pendant lighting here. That would be a upgrade option. You do have a 10-foot slide, 8 feet. On this one, I believe you would only have a 6-foot or an 8-foot slide. Now with this builder, I believe you get a 10-year warranty. Beautiful cover patio. And you already know, cover patio is an upgrade. Everything that you do see back here is not included with this build. HOAs, including SIDS and LIDs with the master plan community, it's roughly going to be about $190. Let's take a look at the air conditioning unit. So it looks like we have a 14 SEER Lennox air conditioning unit. Not too sure if it's a dual zone. Typically, homes at this size now are running more efficient when they do the dual zone. Now on this spec, one of the upgrades and the options that I would do is to see if I can actually put a outlet here, so that way your technician could actually use the power. All right, let's go here. I know the builder will add the radiant bearer, which is really nice. And I believe on this spec here, you do get the gas line. Now, lot premiums can range anywhere from about $4,000 all the way to $20,000, according to the sales agent. All right, let's go back inside. Now, what I do like about Woodside homes, when you do the electrical and the high voltage, what will happen is the electrician will come out here and meet you at the home, and they'll show you physically what's an upgrade. So how do you tell? As you can see, this recessed lighting right here, see how it's painted black? That tells you it's not included. Now, I believe the ceiling fan pre-wire in the living room and also the master, also your Cat 6 with your cable outlet in the living room and also the master will be included. Beautiful open floor plan for sure. Love this space right here. Now let me just show you something. On this side, you have full built-ins. That will be an upgrade. The 4-can lighting and the vaulted ceilings here, that is an upgrade, and you can add more. Now, as you can see, the railing or the banister, typically this would be a pony wall, and pony wall up here. You do have a couple options. You can do this open banister, open here, or also you do a pony wall up here. So you have different configurations and also different styles of the railings as well. This is your 2-car garage. It does come with a 200 amp breaker, soft water loop, and a tankless water heater. Beautiful 6-panel door here. These are only 8.6 on the doors, but I believe you can 6.8 on the doors, I'm sorry. But I believe you can do an upgrade to 8 feet. All right, let's go upstairs. So we have carpet on the staircase, orange peel texture. All right, we have a total of 107 lots. I'm not too sure if I mentioned that. So we have the master bedroom here, and it's separate from the others, the other 2 bedrooms, and the other 2 bedrooms are gonna be on this side. So we're gonna come on this side first. So coming into the first bedroom, this bedroom looks to be about 12 by 14. It is a decent size. Now on this one, they added the 4-can lighting. That's an upgrade, 9-foot ceilings. Orange peel texture. This one came with a 4 rocker switch, so this was pre-wired correctly. Coming into the second bedroom, pretty much the same thing. You do have an option to do the pre-wire on the ceiling fan here, and they upgraded the ceiling fan. That looks like it's just a regular LED light. All right, let's see what we have here. Carpets are nice and plush. Here's your bathroom for the 2 bedrooms. The vanity here is only 30 inches versus 36. That would be a definitely upgrade if you're going to do the 36. Fixtures, and take a look at this window here. Look at the mountain views. That's one thing about the Northwest, you just get mountain views. You got the tub shower combo. This is a fiberglass all one piece. which is great. And this looks like Delta fixtures. With Delta, you do get that lifetime warranty with the fixture. Coming down here, let's go into the laundry room. So the laundry room, you have 12 by 24 on the tile. But remember, it's going to be 18 by 18 on the porcelain tile. You do have an option to upgrade with the sink and the cabinets. I love the fact that there's a drain pan. It is a gas dryer. You have 36 inches on the cabinet on the top. That is definitely an upgrade too as well. And then you have your 36 inches on the smart panel box. I'm not too sure if they ran the Smurf tube to the D mark or not. That's something you'll definitely want to check for future fiber optic cables. Coming into the master. Now the master is definitely a decent size here. As you can see, you do have a 10-foot vinyl slide, dual pane windows. And this is a dual split unit system. You got the air conditioning unit here. Now this could actually be programmed to your phone if you choose to. You also have a jumper duct here too as well, and 4-can lighting. That is an option with the surround sounds and also the ceiling fan. Let's come on out to the balcony here. The balcony will be an upgrade option on here. Depending on the builder, this could range anywhere from $15,000 to like $24,000, depending again on the builder. But this is a pretty decent size. I mean, take a look at this. All mountain views. Now, we are pretty much on phase 2 that they are building here in Skye Canyon. Also, if you guys have not had a chance to check out the clubhouse, I will have a link in the description below as well, so that way you can see the full video tour of the clubhouse. Now let's take a look at the master bath. I've noticed we got straight edge cornerings. Coming into the bathroom, you got the 12 by 24 tile. Off to the left, we have our water closet. Now, as you can see, the shower here is a walk-in shower, has been fully upgraded. Standard would be your fiberglass tub and shower. Coming into your master closet. Master closet, it's not that large. I would say this is probably 6 feet by 10 feet here. You're definitely going to have to get some double shelves, one for your shirt and also for your pants. You have a nice upgraded 36 on the vanity here, full overlay on the cabinets, and the quartz with the undermounted sink with your 4-inch on the backsplash here. Builders will give you the option if you want to leave a medicine cabinet or not. Let me know in the comments below. Would you keep a medicine cabinet or get rid of that medicine cabinet? Here's your 6-panel door. 6-panel doors are not insulated. Okay. The structural build, I believe you get a 10-year warranty with this builder. You also get the radiant barrier too as well. Smoke detectors, and like I said, pre-wire in certain rooms. 14-SEER air conditioning unit. I mean, take a look at this. Out of all the models, I think this is going to be the best model. But this home definitely has a lot of upgrades to it. People ask me all the time, how much is the upgrades? I don't know how much is the upgrades. The salesperson doesn't even know how much the upgrades is. But I'm going to say the upgrades on here, you're probably looking maybe about $120,000 in the upgrades. The average person in this community is going to probably spend about 12%, 15% max. Anything above the 12 or 15% of the appraisal, of the base price, probably is not going to appraise. Let me know what your thoughts are about this property in the comments below. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Chakits Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.